Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a IBM Wheelwriter battery pack here, and it is corroded. So we're just going to show how to clean one of these, even when they're seriously corroded. It's not that hard. The stuff is not that dangerous of stuff. It's just corroded. So just start knocking off some of the big stuff. Look at that guy with whatever tool you got. This stuff is kind of crusty, but it just kind of comes off. Chip it out of there. Just a little air, maybe. A little bit. Even follow that line down there, that wire. But it's dried up corrosion, so it's not like it's, I guess what you call it, innate, where it doesn't do anything. And it's not harmful, but the best thing you can do with these then is make sure these ends are clean with whatever method you want. Use a wire brush sometimes to get these cleaned up some. And these little contact points are important to make sure the corrosion is off of those, or the batteries won't recognize the new batteries either. So just scrape it off with your tool. That one's clean. That one's clean. These look pretty good now. The wires, just give them a. You can also use a wire file and file these things a little bit. Yeah, that one looks like it could use a little more. Just be aggressive. You know, you kind of want to make sure these things aren't corroded loose or anything, so make sure it's still sound by being rough with it. Okay, that's good enough. It's not totally cleaned out, but let's do a little more just in case that's just that cleaner I use all the time. Let's hit it with some real compressed air. All that looks a little better. Wipe off any extra in there. Okay, new batteries in these guys, and flat side always goes against the spring. Push it in, flat side against the spring. It's basically that way for all battery packs, flat side against the spring. Get it down in there. The little trick I like to do with these is twist them once they're in there. See that twist? Twist them, and that kind of I don't know, it helps, it seems like. And the last thing I want to do here is put a date on one of these so we know in the future what's happening. So 12/2/23. All right. These batteries are good for a long time. I think I saw they were good for 10 years. Yep. Okay. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.